Lasagna guys ha, for the customer guys. Mabilis sa ano. Ito yung bolognese na ginawa ko guys ha. Hindi ko na pinakita yung paano paggawa ha. Yan. Ito yung ating bolognese ano pang sabaw ha. Tapos ito yung ating do guys ha. Pinakuluan ko na siya. Ito yung do natin guys ha. Yan. Yan yung ating do guys ha. Ano kaya? Pinakuluan ko na rin siya. Ready boiling and then separate guys ha. Ay may ice para hindi siya magdikit-dikit guys ha. Yan o. Ito ready na to. Cooking na yan guys ha. Ilalagay ko sa may ice. Yan. Yan guys ha. Ganyan lang siya guys. Yan guys ha. Ready boiling na siya guys. Gagawin na. Separate natin siya guys ha. Yan guys ha. Separate natin siya. Pwede po siya simipirit mag-hold together yan guys ha. Yan guys, sipiritan natin yung ito. Yan na guys ha, ganyan lang siya. Yan na guys ha. Gawa tayo ng small lasagna for a service for the customer guys ha. Kahapon ang ginawa natin ay malaki for buffet, now is for the customer only.
Eric, I love you.
Oh, I love you too, Habibi. Ay, sana. Hurma?
Walk off.
Kinabi. Bas I love you, hurma, Habibi.
لا 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 حتى الرجال عادي.
Rajal Simpson. Separate natin. Gagawa tayo ng raw. Yan. Butter lang yan. Butter and flour only guys. How to make raw right? You see. Yan guys ha. Now I put flour. Corn flour ha. Normal flour only. Normal flour ha. You see. This is only dough. Raw for making balsamel sauce. Yan guys ha. For making balsamel sauce. Yan guys. Little flour again. Yes.
Where is my food?
Ayan guys. Lalagyan natin milk guys ha. Oh. Ito yung guys, ito na. Ito tayong balsamid guys. Ito yung balsamid na ginagawa.
Ben, salam. Salam.
Silmur.
Oh, salam. Salam, boy. Oi, salam, boy. Mama. Mama.
Big, but no, make spoon. Yan para sa mga guys. Ito na yung pansam ko guys. Yan na yan o. Pag nag-boiling yan, magiging strong na yan. Yan, ang ating gagamitin. Balsamel sauce. Balsamel. Tapos ito yung ating, ready na ito guys, pwede na gamitin yan. Yung ating bolognese guys. Ako din gumawa yan ha. Ang balsamel ready na guys. Yan guys ay put one white pepper guys ha. White pepper. Yan guys ha, white pepper. And nutmeg guys ha, nutmeg. If nutmeg guys ha, nutmeg. Yes. And then bay leaves guys ha. chicken stock. Yan. This is the ingredients of balsamil. Yan guys. Now we put the ingredients guys. Stock and bay leaves guys. Bay leaves yan. Then guys garlic powder Meron din siyang garlic powder guys. Ito na ito guys. Yan, garlic powder guys. Onion powder guys Onion powder. Yan. Kompleto na siya guys Mix na lang. Ready na yung ating balsamil guys How you see? Ready na siya guys. Tikman lang natin kung salt. Perfect na siya guys. Okay na. Okay na siya guys Ano? Wow. This is balsamil How to make balsamil. Very easy guys Yan na yung ating gagamitin sa lasagna guys. Thank you for watching guys Ayan guys, ready na po Gagawa na tayo ng lasagna. Ayan na guys Ready na siya guys. Ayan. Wow. This is balsamil guys Gawa na tayo ng lasagna. Ayan na guys, start na tayo Yan yung ating gagamitin. Balsamil and bolognese. Yan guys. Start na tayo dito. Ito. Start na tayo guys Gawa muna tayo ng 4 na piraso guys. 4 pieces. Yan guys Gawa tayo ng 4 pieces of 2. Start tayo. 4 muna gawin natin guys Yan. So yan pang service namin sa customer guys. For the customer only. Not for the buffet. Yan guys Yan lang guys Tapos lagyan natin ng dough. Yan guys Yan guys, ganyan lang Sunod ay beef guys beef. Yan guys Now beef naman tayo. First layer of beef guys Okay guys, ganyan lang siya. Yan. Basta matabunan lang yung konti. First layer of beef guys Yan guys, first layer of beef. Easy lang yan guys. Really is to make lasagna guys and fast. Now method of balsamil guys sa upstairs guys. Yan lang, konti lang guys. Para lang siya dito guys. Ayan. Pero ganitong isa guys Lagyan natin ang mozzarella guys kasi konting mozzarella lang guys Walang parmesan. Dapat parmesan. And guys, ready na siya First layer calculate tayo ng dough guys Calculate tayo ng dough Gamitin na natin itong may sira guys. Gamitin muna itong may sira. Patuloy na tayo ng beef guys ha. Yan na guys ha. Lagyan natin dito yung tuloy na tayo ng beef guys. Yan guys ha. Last layer of beef guys. Easy. Now is coming to the layer of beef guys ha. Easy lang yan guys. Kalas hotel coming, badin maiti kalas. Kalas ay kiba daw yung survey. Ay kasi. Last layer of beef ha. 2 layers lang ang beef natin guys. Ito na guys ha. Balsamin ulit tayo guys. Yung balsamin guys. Balsamin ulit tayo guys. Para lang siya tumikit guys. Balsamin tayo. Guys ha. Ito balsamin ulit guys ha. Now ay konting ano tayo. Little mozzarella guys ha. I cut again 4 pieces of final na to guys ha. Ano na yan? Final na tayo guys ha. Last layer na yan guys. Tapos ang ating unang batch 4 guys ha. Put like this guys. Guys ha. Yan. Ayan na guys. Ano balsamil ng ano niyan. Finishing na yan guys ha. This is finishing guys ha. Ayan guys. Tayo final na tayo guys. Ayan guys. Final kailangan siya ay magandang pagkaka. Dasan niya na siya guys. This is like this only guys ha. Ready na guys. Final.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Yan guys ha. Yan guys ha. Ready na siya guys ha. Easy lang yan guys. Pwede na ang ating lasagna. Batch 4 na ito ha. Unang Pasko yan, 4-4 guys. Ito lahat gumawa niya, balsamic. Finishing natin guys ha. Kailangan maganda yung pagkakatapat niya guys. Perfect. Like this guys ha, finish. Guys ha. Finishing guys. Wow. Guys ready. Na guys ha. Time to clean now. Kaya kailangan din natin isang i-clean. And guys, ready na ang ating lasagna. Wow. Yan na guys ha. 4 pieces of lasagna is ready. Thank you for watching guys. Yan guys ha, another 3 is finished guys. All is 7 guys ha. Thank you for watching guys ha. Oh, this is another 3. All is 7. Thank you for watching guys.